The Pyle PLG6.3 car speakers deliver a surprisingly full and energetic sound for a budget-friendly three-way coaxial design with clear highs and solid mid-range presence. Their 6.5-inch polycone feels rigid yet light, which helps them play louder and cleaner than many factory speakers without needing a huge amplifier. A substantial magnet and high-temperature voice coil allow these speakers to handle real-world listening at higher volumes without easily distorting or overheating. The combination of a dedicated tweeter and small mid-dome gives vocals and cymbals a crisp edge that cuts through road noise in most vehicles. Durable butyl rubber surrounds and a coated steel basket make them a practical choice for daily driving, resisting wear from heat and vibration over time. With a shallow mounting depth that fits many original openings and a bold yellow and black finish, they are easy to install and add a bit of visual flair behind the grille.